prison authorities move to silence Kartel. Hi, I'm Ray Williams. Jail DJ under pressure over behind bars musical recordings. Convicted killer Vybz Kartel known for his non-stop musical output. But has the world boss finally been muzzled?
Never was success. Who you when you know them? Oh well, move through when you owe them. Give me room like hotel. Hello well.
Teacher transferred. The jailed for life DJ has been moved from the Horizon Adult Remand Center to the General Penitentiary. Conditions at GP expected to be much grimmer for the world boss despite the presence there of a recording studio. The relocation seen as a move to silence Kartel, long suspected of voicing fresh lyrics in prison, never mind his 2014 conviction for murder. Among recent cartels, a counteraction against longtime rival Mavado.
When you see me, you are run a warm to you.
The Gully God concluding a successful campaign against ex-Gaza prefect Popcorn before training his lyrical guns on Kartel himself.
People are asked for the war.
It's like Mavado like come like him and say my spank like a baby, so Kartel I say okay, no care what, my son is here so I have to defend him.
Any ends for you have a port more, bet you send me make nobody down but I want friend you. So war start white in the 14 parish. Them soft like crackers in porridge.
Kartel's prison productions a touchy subject in dancehall circles. Only a very few daring to comment publicly.
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, Mr. Miller. A new technology I do it, you know what I mean? So, we don't know how him there in a prison and a voice, but whosoever do it, them do a good job.
Nobody is stupid, you understand? But as I said, maybe we have a Kartel clone in the street that do some of the work too. We don't know.
Kartel again under the spotlight last week after former TOK member Flexx brought up the Gaza boss's jail recordings as a counterpoint to the inability of others, including himself, to get radio airplay.
Realistically, if me did lock up in a prison, you wouldn't hear one song from me.
So you think the authorities should pull the plug on Kartel voicing in prison?
Well, me not really try force down a man food because I have to do him thing.
They should pull the plug on it or not?
I feel, based on if a man is convicted of something, definitely him to pay the consequences of it. Me never tell him to do what him do, and me not fight against him. Me not hate Kartel. Me like his music, but at the same time, over the years they say artists go to prison all in America. Ja Rule, the whole of them, and you don't hear one song from them. So it's like you're living the same way you're living in prison that you're living on the road, and it's kind of unfair because enough artists go to prison and you never hear one thing from them too. I don't think nothing is wrong with it, but there needs to be a balance.
Flexx flayed by social media for daring to take Kartel to task.
I have been listening to a lot of new Kartel songs, collaborations that are very current. So it seems very obvious that there is something happening now. We have been asking questions.
Is it valid for Flexx to raise the question of Kartel voicing in prison?
Yes,
in the context of...
Yes, it is.
He can't get radio play, he says, but then Kartel is all over the radio.
Well, there are two sides to that discussion. There is precedent to an artist, again, Jacure, putting out music while in prison. So there's precedent for that. If there is an understanding and an arrangement with the state actors for this to happen, then it is happening. If artists who are in the business are unable to overshadow somebody who is locked in prison, who his fans hasn't seen for so many years, then they need to go and check themselves. New artists are coming out and their songs are getting airplay. If some people are not getting airplay, they need to check their music, check what they are doing and find out why. Don't blame it on somebody who is locked away from sight of his fans and is still making waves.
Kartel fans take these things to heart. Any sort of criticism, implied criticism of Kartel, they go berserk.
They tear you to pieces. And these are not just fans in Jamaica, they are fans all over the world. He has a huge following in Africa, for example, a huge following in Europe. They listen to his songs, they play songs in all their parties, they imitate his songs. He has a huge following. And when these discussions develop, they rip people to pieces. And these are the same people who are buying his music and are listening to the music and are giving it more airplay. Flexx and the others need to figure out how to get fans like those.
Flexx applauded by those critical of a convicted murderer getting away with recording music from behind bars. But fans sure to be infuriated that the teacher's wings have now possibly been clipped with his transfer to GP. After all, no new music from their favorite DJ sure to send Kartel addicts into withdrawal. Prison, however, has never proved much of an obstacle to Kartel's prolific musical output.
So if you were a betting person, would you bet on more Kartel tunes coming at us in Christmas or a fall off in Kartel's output in prison?
Well, if I'm a betting person, I would bet that Kartel already has a Christmas catalog recorded and put down. That is the Kartel that most fans know of.
Downtown Kingston weighing in on Flexx's remarks and Kartel's move to GP.
Hey son, who trouble them? Me no know how them vex. Buy a one shoes, them get upset. Buy a box food and eat and belch. Them vex, who trouble them?
Flexx, how name so? Wait, I'm not proof of that. Them tune the way a year ago and them done the Vice from Mavado a long time. Long time. Right now Kartel do all 20 tune a day. And the lyrical mastermind this. Don't get it wrong, Flexx. This is the lane where you're in, just remain in it. Don't go too fast. You understand? Are the king that, are the god of dancehall.
But in the Vybz Kartel first started, it's Jacure first started, and Jacure bust it and everybody like it, and the government like it. So why him no go take up that on him head, and him no superstar, him no movie star, him dead in a movie?
He no look good for in the facility, I do him thing in the prison. I out the road him to do it, and then him can go in back. Straight, I'm a boss, I don't know, so I have to big up Addy.
Well, I'm sure to move him, because I don't have him stand all this, so them nothing move him, bring him back. And you want this, make him go back.
A prison that you know, and when you asleep, a man can't light you, a man can't gas you. All type of things going on to lock up them. Nobody at all not safe in a prison. And a Kartel alone not safe. All of the prisoners them not safe.
But in the government system, you have to just understand, and when they put you, you have to go, right? Yeah, no one is bigger than the system. Not even Vybz Kartel, but Flexx, go one side, nobody don't know you.
Flexx, Badmind, Kartel, they don't give him life imprisonment. Lord, make him sing song now. Lord, make him sing song them. Look what the man will kill the local youth and get a Kartel can free too.
You should have said Horizon, I read that. Kartel a real man, we stay away him there. I was some street boy feel like, him can't be like him, can't walk like Kartel with old slippers.
It will make it better for him. For him got GP, because they want him a GP long time. You see me? That's my opinion. Why do they come from GP? They want him a GP long time.
Money man make fame and him family them. And others. Nothing wrong. Badmind Flexx, that me I tell you, Badmind go hide.
And let me tell you something, I'm a human being, look, sometimes we make mistakes in our life and we can't come around. So I think him should have just continue doing the music them in the prison. As him can't feed him family them a road. Because him have him family, him not dead, him have a life.
In a TOK, a race, strategy group, well strong in a dancehall as a group, and him then jump ship and depend them own. The same advice now, soul of a child himself out there. We never sing him now, sing no song when I connect to the people them, or to the age of the young generation who you them about in the 90s and you them about in the early 2000s. And if you not connect that way with lyrics with them, I might complain from Boom Boom and you the but he might carry a grudge in them heart. Kind of rare boss for the rare boss really I lead the charts them and I get the thing them. And I feel for you that's glorious and God bless him and then locking them but then can't stop him vice, you see me? A Gaza will say I want empire, you see me? Free world boss to the world. Gaza.
And that's so this true the everything either with them say yo, and that's him for this so if you want advice from earlier on so I'm glad so that's him there, you know? Adi.
Big up yourself, my nice clean friend Kartel. Love you.